Are you ready to unlock the potential of affiliate marketing and make a jaw-dropping $1,000 a day? Imagine the financial freedom and endless possibilities. But here's the kicker. We got a secret hack that's going to blow your mind and skyrocket your earnings. Get ready for a journey into the world of affiliate marketing, where we'll unveil the secret sauce to making those four-figure daily profits. Now, let's dive into the details and discover how this game-changing technique can turn your dreams into reality. But remember, this secret isn't just for anyone. It's for those who are ready to take action and supercharge their affiliate marketing game. So buckle up and get ready for the ride of your life. Affiliate marketing is like having a side hustle in the digital world. Here's how it rolls. Before starting, please subscribe to stay updated with more content like this. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a nifty arrangement where you, the affiliate, promote other people's or company's products. You do the marketing legwork, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a slice of the pie. How does it work? Say you're a fitness enthusiast with a blog, you review workout gear, and you join an affiliate program for a sports brand. They provide you with a special tracking link. When your readers click and buy using that link, you get a commission. Simple, right? Earning potential. The beauty of affiliate marketing is the potential to make money online without creating your own products. You can tap into a vast array of niches, from tech gadgets to beauty products. With the right strategy, it's possible to earn a substantial income. Passive income. Once you set up your affiliate links, they can keep generating income while you sleep. The more you build your affiliate marketing game, the more passive income you can make. Scale it up. There's no earnings ceiling in affiliate marketing. You can scale up by adding more affiliate partnerships, increasing your online presence, and refining your marketing tactics. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing offers a fantastic opportunity to turn your online presence into a money-making venture. Whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or social media influencer, it's a flexible way to monetize your content and generate income. Just remember, success in affiliate marketing often boils down to choosing the right products, creating engaging content, and connecting with your audience. So dive in and explore the potential of affiliate marketing for your online journey. Niche selection in affiliate marketing. It's like picking the sweetest fruit from the tree. Here's how to get it right. Why niche matters. Niche is everything in affiliate marketing. It's your playground, and picking the right one is crucial. A niche is like your specialty, and it defines your target audience. Audience connection. The right niche lets you connect with your audience on a personal level. When you're passionate and knowledgeable about the niche, it shines through in your content, and that's gold for building trust. Profitable niches. To identify profitable niches, look for those with demand. Think about what problems people are trying to solve or what they're passionate about. Health, finance, tech, and lifestyle are some evergreen niches. Keyword research. Dive into keyword research to see what people are searching for within your niche. Tools like Google Keyword Planner can be your best friend. Competition check. Assess the competition. A little competition is good. It shows there's money to be made. But if it's overly saturated, it can be tough to break in. Affiliate programs. Once you've settled on a niche, search for affiliate programs that align with it. Check their commissions and terms. Product selection. Within your niche, choose products that offer value and solve problems for your audience. Quality products are key to retaining trust. Testing and learning. It's an evolving process. Don't be afraid to test and learn. Tweak your approach as you gain insights into what works best for your audience. Remember, your niche choice can make or break your affiliate marketing journey. So pick a niche you're passionate about, research it well, and keep your audience's needs at the heart of your strategy. This way, you're on the right track to affiliate marketing success. Alright folks, let's dive into the intriguing world of affiliate marketing and uncover a secret hack that can truly transform your game. Understanding the game. Before we reveal the secret sauce, you need to understand the affiliate marketing game. It's all about promoting products or services. And when people make a purchase through your special affiliate link, you earn a commission. Simple, right? The common approach. Most affiliates use the same old methods. Creating blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media content. It works, but there's a secret way to supercharge your efforts. The secret sauce. Ready for the big reveal. It's all about leveraging high-converting ad platforms. Think Facebook ads, Google ads, or native ads on other websites. These platforms can help you reach a broader audience quickly. unlocking the potential. With the right ad strategy, you can laser target the perfect audience who are more likely to buy, making your commissions skyrocket. The catch. But here's the catch. You need to invest in these ads. It's not a free ride, but it's a way to accelerate your affiliate earnings. Testing and optimizing. Like any hack, it's a trial and error process. Test different ad creatives, audiences, and budgets. Learn what works and optimize. Scaling up. As you see success, you can scale up your ad spend and watch those commissions grow. It's like a money-making snowball effect. Setting up your affiliate campaign. Setting up your affiliate campaign can be both exciting and rewarding. It's like preparing the stage for a great performance. First, choose your affiliate products or services wisely. Go for items that resonate with your audience and align with your niche. Next, craft compelling content, whether it's a blog post, video, or social media post, to promote these products. Be authentic and informative, and include your unique affiliate links to track conversions. Now it's time to get technical. Implement tracking tools to monitor your campaign's performance. Tools like Google Analytics or affiliate tracking software help you keep tabs on clicks, conversions, and earnings. Stay organized, keep an eye on your metrics, and be ready to tweak your strategy for the best results. With a solid setup, you're well on your way to a successful affiliate campaign. Driving targeted traffic. When it comes to affiliate marketing, traffic is the name of the game. But not just any traffic. You need the right people to click on your affiliate links. It's like inviting folks who are actually interested to your party. So, how do you do it? You can tap into a variety of sources like paid advertising, social media, blog posts, and even search engine optimization, SEO. These methods can help you reach the audience that's most likely to convert, making your affiliate marketing efforts more effective. It's about quality, not just quantity, when it comes to driving targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. Analyzing and optimizing. In the world of affiliate marketing, it's not just about setting things up and letting them run. To truly succeed, you need to regularly roll up your sleeves and dive into the data. Analyzing the performance of your affiliate campaigns is like shining a light on what's working and what's not. With these insights, you can make data-driven optimizations, fine-tune your strategies, and maximize your efforts. It's a dynamic process that ensures you're always on the path to better results, just like a skilled chef refining their recipe for the perfect dish. So remember, keep your eye on the data, and don't be afraid to make those crucial tweaks to elevate your affiliate marketing game. Scaling your earnings. So you've dipped your toes into the world of affiliate marketing, and now you're ready to take it to the next level. Scaling your earnings is like turning up the volume on your success. Start by identifying what's already working in your affiliate campaigns, those golden nuggets of products or strategies that are driving results. Once you've pinpointed them, focus your efforts there, expand your reach, and increase your promotion. It's all about amplifying the elements that are already successful, just like a musician turning up the spotlight on their hit song during a concert. By scaling strategically, you can watch your affiliate earnings grow and your efforts pay off even more. In conclusion, the promise of making $1,000 a day through affiliate marketing is a tantalizing opportunity that's within your grasp. The secret affiliate marketing hack can be your key to unlocking this potential. Don't hesitate. Take action and put these strategies to work. Try, experiment, and adapt. And who knows, you might just discover a lucrative path to earning $1,000 or more daily. If you found this information valuable, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let's embark on this affiliate marketing journey together and let your success story begin.